If you use this hook, your code will be better right away. React 19 introduced useTransition, but most devs still don't use it. Let me show you how it works and why it changes everything. I'm Loha, the creator of Star, where we help people perform better on stage. Today I'll show you how useTransition makes your UI smoother, your code cleaner, and your users happier. Let's say your user clicks a button to update something. You want to show a spinner while it's happening, so you write this. But this clutters your state and ties UI directly to logic that isn't urgent. Enter useTransition. React's way of saying this update matters, but don't let it block the user. Let me break it down. isPending tells you if the transition is still happening. Start transition wraps your non-urgent update so that React can prioritize urgent stuff first. Let's walk through a real example, filtering a list of items based on user input. With this old way, typing feels sticky, your app feels slow. But with the new way we've useTransition, typing stays smooth and filtering happens in the background without interrupting the UI. Let's dive a little deeper. Let's talk about usePending. This boolean tells you if the transition is happening. You can use it to show a spinner, disable a button, dim the UI and show a working dialog, and this gives user feedback without freezing the interface. Why does this matter? React didn't add useTransition just for fun. They added it because modern apps are complex. Users expect instant feedback. Devices vary in power, datasets are huge, and not all updates are equal. Some can wait, some must be instant, and useTransition gives you the control without the complexity. Here are the benefits. First, improved user experience. UI stays responsive during heavy updates and no input lag while typing or clicking. Prioritized rendering. Urgent updates like typing comes first, and non-urgent ones like filtering wait their turn. And last, built-in loading feedback. isPending lets you show spinners or disable buttons easily. So if you're still using setIsLoading, you're doing extra work for worse results. Why manage that manually when React can do it smarter? React 19 gives you the tools. Now it's your move. Before your next UI update, do these three things. Replace manual loading state with useTransition. Use isPending to control your UI feedback, and remember, not all updates are urgent. React knows the difference. Your users don't care how clever your code is, they care how it feels. If this helped, comment "I'm transitioning" to useTransition, of course, and share where you'll use it first. And if you want more dev tools that actually make a difference, hit subscribe